Let me tell you about a patient of mine named Sarah. Sarah lives in Columbus, Ohio, and when she first came to see me 3 years ago, she was 68 years old. I still remember the sound of her weeping in my office. She wasn't crying because of the pain, though her knees were swollen to the size of grapefruits. She was crying because she had just put a deposit down on a room in an assisted living facility. She had convinced herself that her life, her independence, was over. She could barely walk from the parking lot to my door. Her orthopedic surgeon had told her that her cartilage was bone on bone, and that double knee replacement was her only option if she ever wanted to walk without a cane again. Sarah was terrified of surgery. She was terrified of becoming a burden. Most of all, she was heartbroken because her grandson was getting married in 6 months, and she couldn't imagine dancing with him. Fast forward to today. Sarah is 71. She did not go to that nursing home. She did not have that surgery. And yes, she danced at that wedding until the band packed up. How did she do it? It wasn't a miracle drug. It wasn't a genetic lottery. It was a protocol that 97% of conventional doctors overlook because they are trained to prescribe, not to nourish. Sarah simply stopped eating 4 specific joint-killing foods that were acting like gasoline on a fire inside her body, and she replaced them with natural healers. Today, I'm going to share that exact blueprint with you. But before we dive into the list, I need to know who I'm talking to today. I want you to pause this video for a second. Go down to the comment section and type in your age and the number 1 symptom that brought you here. Is it knee pain, lower back stiffness, or maybe your fingers feel clumsy? Do it now. Why? Because I want you to see that you are not alone. And more importantly, I want to tell you something the medical industry won't. This is not your fault, and it is not just aging. If you are over 50, or if you sit at a desk all day, or even if you've just had a baby and feel like your body is falling apart, your pain is likely not caused by bad genes. It is caused by a deficiency of specific nutrients and an overload of inflammatory triggers. Today we fix that. For those of you new to the channel, hello. I'm Dr. David Thompson. I have spent over 30 years in clinical practice, treating thousands of patients just like Sarah. My mission on this channel is simple: to bridge the gap between modern science and natural wisdom. I want to help you reclaim your independence and stay out of the hospital system using the most powerful medicine known to man, the food you eat. I've seen patients cancel surgeries. I've seen canes thrown away. I'm not here to sell you a magic pill. I'm here to give you the knowledge to heal yourself. Before we get to the foods, we need to see how much hidden fire, or chronic inflammation, is currently burning inside you. I'm going to list 5 specific symptoms. I want you to count how many of them you have on your fingers. 1. Morning stiffness. Does it take you more than 20 minutes to get going or loosen up after you wake up? 2. Brain fog. Do you forget names or walk into a room and forget why you're there? Yes, this is connected to your joints. 3. Post-meal fatigue. Do you feel an overwhelming need to nap 30 minutes after lunch? 4. Swollen extremities. Are your rings tight on your fingers, or do your socks leave deep marks on your ankles? 5. Stair pain. Is going down the stairs more painful than going up? Okay, how many fingers are you holding up? Type that number in the comments right now. If you have 2 or more, your body is in a state of systemic chronic inflammation. Think of it like a forest fire smoldering under the soil. You can't see the flames yet, but the roots are burning. This inflammation is attacking your collagen and eroding your cartilage. Now, let's put out that fire. Here are the 4 foods you must stop, and the powerful natural solutions to replace them with. Food warning number 1. Sugar and high fructose corn syrup, the glass shards. The first enemy is sugar, specifically processed sugar and high fructose corn syrup found in sodas, healthy fruit yogurts, and store-bought sauces. When you eat high amounts of sugar, your insulin spikes. But more importantly, it creates something called AGEs, advanced glycation end products. I want you to visualize this. Imagine pouring sticky syrup into a precise clock mechanism. It gums up the gears. In your body, sugar binds to proteins in your joints and makes your cartilage brittle, prone to cracking. Instead of reaching for a soda or a sweet dessert, I want you to introduce Tart cherry juice. Let's talk about Mark, 55. He was an avid golfer but had to quit because his grip strength was failing due to gout and arthritis in his hands. I put him on the Tart cherry protocol. Within 3 weeks, the swelling in his knuckles reduced by 50%. 2 months later, he was back on the golf course, pain-free. The science: Tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins. At a molecular level, these compounds block the same pain enzymes, COX-1 and COX-2, that anti-inflammatory drugs like Celebrex do, but without the side effects. They essentially cool down the heat in the joint. A study published in the Journal of Functional Foods showed that consuming Tart cherry juice daily significantly reduced uric acid levels and biomarkers of inflammation in older adults. How to? The protocol. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of unsweetened Tart cherry juice. Golden time. Drink this 1 hour before bed. It naturally contains melatonin, so it helps you sleep, which is when your joints repair themselves. Tip: if it's too sour, dilute it with sparkling water, not sugar. Have you ever tried Tart cherry juice? Did you find it sour? Let me know below. Food warning number 2. Industrial seed oils, the gasoline. Next up, if you have soybean oil, canola oil, or corn oil in your pantry, throw them out. Today, these oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids. While we need a tiny bit of omega-6, the modern diet gives us 20 times too much. Omega-6 are the precursors to pro-inflammatory cytokines. When you eat fried foods or salad dressings made with these oils, you are essentially pouring gasoline on the fire of your arthritis. Replace those cheap oils with high-quality extra virgin olive oil. I treated Linda, a 42-year-old postpartum mom. Her knees and lower back were killing her, and she thought it was just baby weight. It wasn't. It was inflammation from processed foods she was eating for convenience. We switched her fat sources to EVOO and avocados. In 14 days, she reported her mom brain cleared up and her knee pain vanished. The science: high-quality olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal. This is fascinating. Oleocanthal works on the exact same biological pathway as ibuprofen. It is a natural non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, provided by nature. Research in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences has repeatedly demonstrated oleocanthal's ability to stop the degradation of joint cartilage. How to? The protocol. Dose: 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Usage: do not cook with it at high heat, frying, as that destroys the phenols. Drizzle it raw over your salads, vegetables, or soups after cooking. Pairing: always eat it with fiber, veggies, to maximize absorption. Food warning number 3. Refined grains and gluten, the gut glue. Number 3 is refined flour, white bread, pasta, pastries. For many people, especially as we age, the gut lining becomes thinner. Gluten and refined grains can cause leaky gut, allowing toxins to escape your digestive system and enter your bloodstream. Your immune system attacks these toxins, and unfortunately, it often attacks your joint tissue in the process as collateral damage. Swap your morning toast for a cup of warm bone broth. Robert, a 72-year-old retired carpenter. He had chronic hip pain that woke him up at night. He started drinking bone broth every morning. It took about 6 weeks. Natural healing is slower than drugs but more permanent, and he was able to walk up the stairs without holding the railing for the first time in a decade. The science: bone broth is rich in type 2 collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin. But crucially, it contains glycine. Glycine acts like spackle for your gut lining, sealing the leaks so the inflammation stops at the source. A landmark study in current medical research and opinion found that collagen hydrolysate, found in broth, significantly improved joint comfort in athletes and seniors alike. How to: the protocol. Dose: 1 cup, 8 ounces, daily. Time: first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. The kicker: add a pinch of black pepper and turmeric to the broth. The heat of the broth activates the turmeric for a double anti-inflammatory effect. Food warning number 4: the hidden nightshades, the trigger. This last one is controversial, but in my 30 years of experience, it is critical for about 20% of my patients. Nightshade vegetables: tomatoes, white potatoes, eggplants, and peppers. These contain solanine, a chemical that can trigger an immune response in people with existing joint damage. If you've tried everything else and still hurt, this might be the culprit. If you cut out nightshades, you need to replace that flavor profile with powerful anti-inflammatory spices. Enter golden milk. Emily, 62. She had swollen fingers and couldn't wear her wedding ring. We removed tomatoes and potatoes from her diet and added golden milk. The swelling dropped so fast that within 10 days, her ring was loose. The active ingredient here is curcumin. Curcumin is a master inhibitor of NF-κB. Think of NF-κB as the on switch for inflammation in your cells. Curcumin turns that switch off. Evidence: according to the Journal of Medicinal Food, turmeric extracts have been shown to be as effective as ibuprofen for knee osteoarthritis management, with fewer gastrointestinal side effects. How to: the protocol. Recipe: 1 cup unsweetened almond or coconut milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, a 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, and, crucial, a pinch of black pepper. Why pepper? Turmeric is hard to absorb. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases absorption by 2,000%. Fat source: add a tiny splash of coconut oil or ghee. Curcumin is fat-soluble. It needs fat to work. Time: an excellent afternoon replacement for coffee. Listen to me closely. Your body is incredible. It is designed to heal. It is designed to repair. But it cannot repair the house while you are setting fire to the living room with these 4 foods. Let's recap your action plan. 1. Swap sugar for Tart cherry juice at night. 2. Swap seed oils for extra virgin olive oil on salads. 3. Swap bread for bone broth in the morning. 4. Swap nightshades for golden milk in the afternoon. Start with just one of these changes this week. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be better than yesterday. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. My goal is to build a community of seniors and health-conscious people who refuse to slow down. Next step for you: I want you to pick one of the solutions I mentioned: tart cherry, olive oil, bone broth, or golden milk, and comment, "I'm trying insert choice," below. I'll be down there reading your comments and cheering you on. I'm Dr. David Thompson. Here's to your health, and I'll see you in the next video.